bed, what up, gang? Today I just did this through the session with Jodi Belch. No, my bad, man. I just said it wrong. I'm with Jodi Belch, bro. He just hooked me up with this. This is his project. This is the project that we're talking about, you know. This is crazy. We're not finished with it, but this shit fire, man. I'm gonna play that for you, man.
Yeah, man.
Over this shit. I just woke up, man. You know what I mean? I just woke up and shit, so yeah. Let's get to it.
Walk with a little not judging, me and my slime not cousins, me and my slime not twins, me and my slime not brothers, me and my slime not cousins. Built him by no blood, I told him slide, he got him, I don't slide, he slid for me.
Like, Sakalang producer, wait, bro. So, Sakalang producer, I'm a vocals and shit, so we still gotta work on it. For sure, this shit's gonna be fun, cause I'm telling you, Mkc on the beat, nigga. I'm not in this beat, but this beat, bro, is crazy. So, don't get nervous, man. Let's do this.
Walk with a little not judging, me and my slime not cousins, me and my slime not twins, me and my slime not brothers, me and my slime not cousins. Built him by no blood, I told him slide, he got him, I don't slide, he slid for me. Yeah, I told him slide, he got him, I told him slide, he shot him. Spit that boy like lean, spit that nail like tussin', spit that nail like tussin', spit that boy like drain, spit that nail like lean. Built him by no blood, built him blood, not, built him blood, we bustin', built him blood, we BVS is tough. With a not clutching, with my slime not cousins. Built that boy like tussin', me my slime not cousins. My slime not cousins. I told him slide, he slid for me. I told him slide, he got him. Yeah, he slid me like nothing. Spit that boy like lean. Spit that nail like tussin'. Spit that boy like drain. Spit that nail like lean. With them 223s, with them choppers too, we bustin'. Young nigga flex like wrestling, HBK 26.